Now that we've got our data entered, we're ready to go through and start asking for our video cut-ups. So we'll go in, we'll hit Digital Editing and Scouting. Now in here you highlight the game or games you want those cut-ups to come from. If you want it to come from one game, you just click and highlight that one game. If you want it to come from multiple games, you just highlight each of the games after that you want it to come from. Then you click the video button. So I'll click video. This is where you go in and tell it what you want to see. So in this example, let's say I want to see all the times that number 3 was at bat. I would just go into custom and say show me all the times that the batter is equal to number 3. Perform my search. And there were my 4 plays. If I wanted to, I could hit play. I could play each one of them, one right after the other. And what's nice about it is there's no fast forwarding, there's no rewinding. As soon as this play is over, it automatically jumps right to the next one. So if you have a VCR hooked up or a DVD burner hooked up through your hardware, you can hit record and it'll record these plays one right after the other. All right. If you're actually using an internal DVD recorder, maybe you've got something built into your own computer and you want to do it, you can hit create movie. And that'll allow you to make a movie file of just those, 5, 10, 15 plays. So if you're looking for all the highlights, if you're looking for all the times that there was a hit, maybe all the home runs, whatever search you want to do, you can go through and ask for those. And then you can make a movie file here using this. So if I click Set Output File, let's save it on our desktop. We'll just call it Baseball. Go ahead and hit Save. Now it's set to save to the desktop. If I want to get a little fancy with it and I want to include a title screen of this, I can go in and change my color. Let's say I want to change it to yellow. Maybe I want my background to be black. I want my text to be a little bit bigger. I'm creating a title screen now that will actually show up first. So when I do hit the create button, it'll create a movie file of just those plays on the desktop. Then I could take that video file. Again, I can burn it to a DVD. Maybe I can have my players bring flash drives in. I can copy it to flash drives. Maybe I could condense it down to a media file and put it up on a website or email it out. It's just the generic movie file that we're creating here. And you can do pretty much anything you want with that movie file. All right. That's pretty much all there is to it in terms of searching. I used custom here to do this search. But if I wanted to search for something else, I got highlights over here. Maybe I want to do a search of all the times there was a highlight. I'll hit search. And there they are. So again, you're just looking for pretty much anything you want. As long as you went through and scouted it while you were setting it up, you can go ahead and do a video edit of it for your DVD or your tape. And that's pretty much all there is to it in terms of doing your video cut-ups. It's a very easy process.